How to find future learning promo code. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the future learning promo code. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides best deals on future learning. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open the website. Here, you will find different deals and offers that provide discount. So select one that you find best and a pop-up will appear on the screen with promo code. Simply copy this code and then tap on the shop to open future learning website or open mobile app or subscription. Log into your account and when you are going to purchase a course or plan, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find future learning promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.